In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete charts on Perplexity app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. To do this, first you need to go ahead and access your charts, and you can simply do this by tapping on your profile icon once you are logged into the app. Here you will see your previous charts that you generated using this app. To delete any, go ahead and tap on these three dots next to the chart, and once you tap on it, we have an option to delete here. So I'll go ahead and tap on delete, and as you can see, it has been deleted. Should you want to further delete others, just repeat the same. Go ahead and tap on the ellipses next to it, and then just choose delete. You can delete the whole charts if you wish to start afresh with a blank page. If you wish to go ahead and start generating, go ahead and tap on this pencil icon to make any of your generations. So that's how you can delete charts on Perplexity. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.